Hey there, are you a student looking for a way to install Endnote completely free? In this video, we'll show you exactly how to get it done in just 1 minute. Stick around until the very end. To kick things off, open up the installer you downloaded from our website. It's going to do all the heavy lifting for you. Let's move forward with installing the additional components. This is only going to take a brief moment. Let's take a look at the features. We are definitely going to end up with an app that's completely ready for action.
I love you.
Head over to our website to grab your download file. Thanks so much for watching.